Great question. I would love to say 100%, but there's unforeseen things that come on a job that, whether it's under a floor or in a wall, that may delay it. So I'm going to have to say about 99% because we get those issues and we rectify it as soon as possible. So for more information on that, call Cool It Heating and Air or contact us on the web.